Guys, I don't know, man. It's like really on there. Get nothing. What's going on, boys? It's your man Ram back again with another dope vid. So this is the OhSnap Grip by the company OhSnap. I've had my eyes on them for a while now, and I finally just pulled the trigger and got it. So here it is, the OhSnap Grip. What's up? There's actually 3 different grips. There's one for using directly on your phone, one to stick on your case, which is what I have, and then there's a OhSnap Luxe, which has an aluminum finish instead of plastic like the last 2. I stayed away from that because I'm not sure if you're supposed to use it with a case or not a case, so I was like, whatever, I'm just getting the one that you definitely use with a case. Besides the grips, they got the snapcharge, which is a wireless magnetic charger, and they got the snapcar, which is a mount for the car. This pretty much sums up the entire inventory on their store. So let's go, guys, let's get it. First of all, this is how it came. Wrapper on the one, just a sticker on the other. Man, if they played me and this is opened already, that's something else. What's going on here? Sus. Okay, so here it is, very simple. Oh snap, how smart people use smartphones. Alright, well, good thing I got it, right? It says, hello awesome, on the back. So let's bust this open. Okay, so here's what we got. Here's the unit. I think I would just peel this off and stick it right to my phone case, and some instructions. Okay, so it says that it needs the grip to be perfectly centered for your phone to wirelessly charge, and that's kind of what I was worrying about already. First thing I got to do is take this case off here. If you're someone that has a MagSafe case and you like MagSafe charging, then I would not stick this on the back of a MagSafe case, or I wouldn't stick it on the back of your phone, because part of the cool thing about the iPhone 12 series is that you can use MagSafe accessories. So I would definitely stick this on another random case that you have. These are super cheap, 2 for $10 I got on Amazon, and it's something that you can stick this adhesive to and not one of your $50 MagSafe cases, because that would suck, and then you're ruining the functionality of that case because you're not going to be able to use your MagSafe charger with that. And OhSnap even tells you that it's not going to be able to stick to the silicone case, so that's just a material that it won't work on anyway. So stay away from it, it's not worth it, and I think it's just kind of counterproductive to do that. Okay, so I'm just taking this case off right now. This is my leather one, and I'm going to use this one. I'm going to open up the wireless charger, make sure that it will in fact charge my iPhone in the position that I put it in. I love the packaging, like very simple, and it feels good to open. Feels good, nice smooth finish. I like this a lot. I like this cord. It's not some cheapo cord. This is good. They give you some good stuff. It seems like very high quality. The packaging is just fun, like very awesome. OhSnap did a good job right there. Oh wow, and it says SnapCharge supports 15 watt fast charging. For full 15 watt charging speeds, make sure you use a 15 watt power brick or the one your phone came with. Okay. I don't know about that, because the iPhone MagSafe charger has to use a 20 watt power brick to get 15 watt charging speeds. So that's already a little suspect, I don't know. But I'm just kind of more worried that it works and charges at a pretty good speed. So I'm going to let that slide, you know? And I feel like all of the new chargers are USB-C fast charging. Luckily, I have one power brick that is USB-A and a higher wattage. Okay, so here's my phone. And let's say I did put this where the MagSafe ring is, right here. Okay, let's say I did stick it right there. If I would put this charger on here, it is in fact charging. That's good. Now let's see if there's a case on it. It's gonna add a little extra distance here. If there's a case on it, I stick it right here again. Okay, and it charged again. Very good. Okay, let's see. Okay, the strike one didn't work for some reason, huh? Let's try this again. Maybe I think this ring is a little bit bigger and I went bottom to bottom and it kind of hung over a little over the top. So maybe it was slightly positioned towards the top. I'm gonna move it a little bit down. Okay, let's see. No charge again. What the heck, guys? Let's try this one more time. Come on. Come on. Guys, I don't know, man. It's like really on there. You get nothing. Fitting the slots perfectly together. Now, if I put this just right on here, same kind of position. Here we get something, huh? Okay, low is a no-go. Up high, we're good. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Jeez. Okay, come on. I don't know. It might be too thick with the case and then this on it, but that's what this is made for. I mean, it's disappointing at this point. Let's see what happens if I don't use a case. I'm not gonna stick it on here, but is there too much space between this and the charger to work? Let's see. I'm actually touching it to the back of my phone now too. Oh my gosh, okay. So it's very sensitive. It doesn't even stick to here either, so. Let's see, there it started charging. It has to be like, oh, perfectly here. There it is, a little bit below the camera. Let's try one more time with the case on, because not only do I not want to stick it to my phone, it's not going to stick to my phone. These glass-backed phones, it even says on their site, not gonna happen. It says you have to use with the case. Okay guys, I found the sweet spot. Come on, please. That was stressful, man. Like, that was kind of ridiculous. Okay, so we got it to work. Getting this on was a nightmare, but once it's on, finally I can actually show you what's going on. This is dope. So I can stick my finger in here, hold it like this. Right, very cool. And when you let it go, it goes right back in. There's no extra step here. If I want, I could turn this here, go into landscape mode. So this thing's dope. It's very cool. I like holding this already. And then this also doubles as a stand. All right, so on the inside of this, that little ridge right here can kind of fit this groove into it. When I want to use this as a stand right here, I can just flip this open, just like this. You're ready to go. That's very cool. And it really doesn't take much like effort to find it. That is neat. I like that. Wow, so check this out. Stand like this. So if you want some more angles, I don't know why we need this many angles. I mean, you could switch it here. You got a whole plethora of different angles again. So I think this thing's super sweet. We're charging, all right. Let's see, the last thing here is the snapcar. Love the packaging, by the way. Makes it very hard to open. Very nice. Let's open this bad boy up. Look at this. This is nice. And this has like such a firm turn to it. I can already tell this is going nowhere. And then this is kind of just like a little plate here. Wow, this magnet it's tough. Wow, so if you're in your car and you want to throw this on your vent and use this as a mount, this is going to be very strong. I don't think this is going anywhere. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I feel like it would take a lot to shake this guy off. I could do it. Okay, I think it would take a good amount. I don't think it would come off naturally in the car unless you're going off some jumps or something. If you would like to use the charging accessory with it, you would just take this guy off, use this directly on the mount here. So this is magnetic as well. And then throw your phone up on here in the car, which that's pretty dope. and you could shove this up your, oh wow, this is, you know, this started off a very rocky road, but this is pretty cool. I like it. And I like that I can use like my shitty case instead of my MagSafe case and get some use out of that as well, because I wasn't really using this. So that's awesome. And I think I'm gonna rock with this for a while. If you guys are wondering if this is gonna work with MagSafe, you are in for a disappointment. I don't know if you could see that, but nothing's happening there. Not gonna happen, but that works. So again, this was tough. This was a nightmare to put on, but once it was on, it was really cool. I got the bundle and I'm trying to look at my order. I'm not sure if it gave me the grip that's supposed to be used directly on your phone or the one that's supposed to be used with the case. So maybe that was a slip up on my part, but either way, that should be something that's very clear when you purchase it. So I don't know. I can't even go back and check. I looked at the order and it doesn't say anything. It says the bundle, it says you get this grip. It doesn't specify which one it is. So that's really kind of frustrating. If you get the car bundle, you know, pay special attention to that, because I don't think it tells you which one you get. It just says you get a grip, a charger, and the mount. So that's kind of a little setback there. And then the other situation is that this in fact is the right grip, and this is just very picky and particular where you put it. And guys, I forgot the coolest thing about the whole item is that it's magnetic. So check this out. Here's my door frame, sticks right on there. And think about all the crap this can stick to, like gym equipment or your refrigerator. Look at that. Okay, closing this, and boom, this guy is still here. That thing's strong, thumbs up. All in all, very, very frustrating, but I like it. I really like it, guys. That's all I got. Drop a like. Later, boys.